Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use ChatGPT for academic rewriting. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use ChatGPT for academic rewriting, then you need to first of all go to ChatGPT and get logged in. After this, you need to provide a specific prompt to refine your structure, clarity and tone. Example, make this more concise or rewrite informal academic language and stuff. So once you have defined a clear prompt, use it as a sparring partner for counter arguments. Paraphrase sections like methods to avoid self-plagiarism, and always meticulously verify its output for accuracy and originality, treating it as a powerful tool rather than a replacement for your own critical thinking and analysis. So this way you can use ChatGPT for academic rewriting. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.